So children, for my family activity we will make one card. For that required materials are one white chart paper, crayon, child friendly scissor, pencil saving, and if you are having passport size photograph of your family, otherwise you can cut from the old magazine and newspaper, and Fevicol. Okay children, now we will start. So for that you have to fold this chart paper dot to dot like this way. Okay, and here you have to press it properly. Then again you have to open it. Okay children, then from this side to here the line will come. You have to fold like this way and press it properly. Then from this side also you have to turn the paper like this way. Okay, and okay, now you can open this way and this way. Okay children, now here we will draw one slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. And this side also we will draw slanting line. So, and then with this scissor we will cut. Which shape is this? This is house shape. Okay. Now on the house we will, here the roof is there. So where there also you have to draw one slipping line. Okay children. And here what you will do? You have to spread Fevicol. Like this way you have to spread the Fevicol. Then what you have to do? You have to take this pencil saving or this pencil dust. You have to stick like this way. Okay children, this you have to stick like this way. Like we will complete this roof. Okay children, then here for the door again we will draw one slipping line, small standing line, and again slipping line. On this side also one slipping line, small standing line, and slipping line. Okay, and again with this scissor we will cut this portion. And this is a window. Okay, this is what it make, window. So we will make this window. Now we will cut this side also, but we have to cut only two sides. Okay children, see this way we will cut. Okay children, see. Now this way we will cut both the side and it will open like this way. Now here we will stick these pictures. See, we will take Fevicol And here on the middle, take one photograph of yours. Then father. Here also we will spread Fevicol, apply Fevicol, and this side father. And here again you have to apply Fevicol, and all pictures you can stick like this way. Okay, here grandparents. And stick on the top. All pictures stick? Yes, very good. Now, okay, your card is ready. You can open like this way. See how it is? You like it? Okay, then you have to make and send it to me. And children, if you want to decorate, you can decorate. You can do design also on it. See, like this way. Okay, here you can draw one flower also. Yes, here also one flower. Okay, and here also you can do like this way. See how it looks very beautiful. And outside also, if you want to do decoration, you can do. Okay children, you can take another color also, different colors you can take. See, this way. Okay, see, my card is ready. Now you can do, and see, my card is ready. And like this way you also have to make the card. Okay children, bye.